So come, baby, come, baby, come back, come back. Something you should know. Okay, you got clutch down?
Nope.
Go really slow, yeah. Yes, baby. Oh, next time maybe.
What?
Put your seatbelt on before you start.
Do I go here? No, I don't.
No, go a little faster and then second gear. Clutch down. Here. Be careful with that car.
Yep.
Clutch down, brake maybe.
Nope, they're waiting for me.
Okay.
Here?
Go around. Or no, go around.
Why?
Because we're going another way, babe. Just do it. Because I'm going to the library.
Oh, okay. Am I going right?
Nope. You're going
First
left.
exit? I'm taking third exit.
Left.
Okay.
Go slow.
Nice.
And blink.
There's no one here.
Blink. And look out. No bikes.
Okay.
Now you clutch down, go into third. Yes. Maybe a little slower so it doesn't do bump.
Going straight?
Yes, you're going
Second
straight.
gear? Or not? Just leave it in
Second
third.
gear. Go.
That's
Clutch.
Staying in third,
Blinkers. Thanks.
Straight?
No, you go right.
Right?
So now you go. Clutch.
We're going right?
Yes. Clutch. Brake. Clutch down. Brake. Stop. You can't do anything now. Now you put it in first, and we wait for our turn. You have to be careful about pedestrians and bicyclists. No, you get ready now. No. Yes. Get clutch. No.
Fuck.
It's okay. Yes, we think I'm a finale. First gear, and then so come, baby, come back. Yes. And then you
That pedestrian
clutch
fucked
down.
me.
Clutch
Yep.
down. He was also a little
Like,
bit of
fuck
a-
that guy. Honestly. That was honestly his fault.
Well, he can go
Dude.
there. Clutch down, go into third. Perfect.
Yeah, but he was walking on
you
the red.
got it.
Alright, where
you
do I
got
go?
It. Now you go left here and a little bit, not there, but like here. Stop here, and then this road.
Okay, here?
Yes, stop. Wait for that car. Wait for that car.
I am. You told me too late to turn. Yeah, I know where I'm going.
Then first gear. Be a little bit careful down here about if there's cars coming from the other sides, okay?
Okay. Easy. Okay, going straight?
Go straight. I would be going into third
Yep,
gear.
I know.
Full stop. Then first gear. Wow, baby, this is your first time driving in real Danish traffic. Yes. Perfect. Okay.
I'm parking. Yep, I'm parking.
Yep. Careful with that
Yep,
thing.
I see it. That's fire.
Oh, you feel good, babe?
Yeah, dude, that was pretty fucking
You
good.
gonna turn it off?
Dude, only one mistake. That was pretty good.